Guys, this month of September is going to be a long month for SAPS, especially lapho ku-SAPS basho manje kithibang. Now khumbula amadoketa 121 la abawathatha from a KZN kubaba uMkhwanazi, the KZN Political Analyzing Task Team. So Commissioner ubaba Masemula, this one uthethe lamadoketa back to a KZN kuNhlanhla Mkhwanazi. So ubaba Mkhwanazi manje they are continuing with investigations for those 121 dockets. So now the problem is with the acting Minister of Police uKachala lawyer Mr. Bin lawyer uthi uBabu Masemula he was not supposed to ukuthi athathe lamadocket awabusele ku Babu Mkhwanazi, and as well as futhi kuyavela ukuthi ne president yethu bathi he's very not happy with that decision ethethwe nguBabu Masemula to take back those dockets to a KZN kuBabu Mkhwanazi. So I don't understand what like political game are they playing, because now amadocket abuyele a KZN for further investigations and arrest. On the other side, judiciary commission of inquiry nayo bayijamisile without any date ukuthi izobuyiswa nini, because of bathi bane problem ukuthi they've got resources achoda in terms of ukuthi where are they gonna host this judiciary commission of inquiry. I just hope ukuthi ad hoc committee as a parliament yabo Julius Malema they will like unpack a lot of things, because like angifuni ukuthi baphose i-judiciary commission of inquiry and then bafune ukuthi ubaba Mkhwanazi azibeke on the spot and arrest people that are not supposed to be arrested, so that they can pin him and say ukuthi he took irrational decision or azange follow ama process. I understand. So I don't know, what do you think ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani? Because like what I see, why should the president here to ikwate ukuthi those dockets they were taken back to like to ipoyisa elenza ama investigation? Why president here to consent? Or maybe, and on the other side nobheka icele naye the week ago kuvele ukuthi bekafonela uKate Matlala like more than 10 missed calls. Like kwenzakalani esiphoyiseni guys? Like I wouldn't be like concerned ukuthi they are taking those dockets to somebody ozokwenza umsebenzi wakhe. We all know ukuthi uMkhwanazi is doing his job. So what do you think? But it's gonna be a long month for SAPS. Kithibang lapha SAPS manje. A lot of people they will be arrested. Mark my words.